A week ago, my dog Max started growling at the corner of my bedroom. There was nothing there, or so I thought. At first, I brushed it off as just Max being weird. But then the growling turned into whimpering. Every single night, the same corner. Yesterday, I decided to investigate. I moved the furniture and found scratch marks on the wall, deep, jagged ones. They weren't from Max. I installed a camera to see what was going on while I slept. This morning, I checked the footage. At exactly 3:15 a.m., Max started barking like crazy, but what chilled me to my core, the camera caught a shadow moving out of the corner toward me.